All right, guys, today we're doing Michael Buble. Haven't met you yet. This is the 55th hard request on the 2018 list. So let's take a listen to it here and go. Go. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this song are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones, tablets, devices that you want to learn on. I even have beginner lessons on the site, 79 beginner lessons if you are a complete beginner, or if you need a refresher, or if you just need to get used to my method of using letters on the whiteboard, teaching with chords and by ear. I'm going to put, let's see, piano 1, there we go. So you want a staccato in the right hand. You don't want to connect this. Some people just hold the pedal down all the time. You don't want to do that. It'd be better not to use any pedal at all. So we have A flat, D flat, F in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The left hand has a D flat octave. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we go A flat, F, G flat, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and see how that fits in between. The A flat's all by itself. The F is with the right hand chord and the G flat is afterward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we go to right hand, B flat, D flat, F. So that's B minor. We started with a D flat chord. Now B flat minor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so 4 counts on the right hand as usual. And the left hand is going to go G flat, F, E flat. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's tie that together from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now the next chord is a G flat major 7. G flat, B flat, D flat, F. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so the left hand is going to go G flat, A flat, B flat. So the next measure is A flat, D flat, F, 1, 2, and the left hand does a A flat octave. Then the right hand changes. You don't have the same chord all the way like we had on the previous 3 measures. Halfway through you change to an A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Go from the very beginning, kind of slow. 1, 2, and 4. Black dot to black dot written, so that means you start at the first black dot and go to the second one. So you just repeat it. 1, 2. So there you go. So you do it 2 times, and there's your part 1 lesson. You guys will finish it on the website. I even describe the do, so that'll be fun as well. Hope you guys enjoy it. Talk to you later.